to go on a team that is dedicated to winning with the owner that's going to put out money, who's dedicated to winning, even though it hasn't shown on the field, but he's dedicated to winning. So he picked the right decisions to come to Washington.
Well, that's a good point. I just want to throw in, before you go, Will T, I just want to say that he didn't select Washington or Arizona. Arizona didn't pursue him.
Exactly.
They got Matt Leinart, just to correct you. But go ahead.
Stat boy. Okay. I think that Arizona should have went after Donovan McNabb. Here's why. If you're the Arizona Cardinals, for the past 2 years, you've established a culture of winning. Donovan McNabb is a winner. You bring in Matt Leinart, the guy who hasn't had any success in the NFL, so he's an unknown. So all of the progress you've made over the past 2 to 3 years with Matt Leinart could be totally erased. But if you had McNabb, excuse me, a guy that's established in the league, that's won games in the playoffs, and he's led the Eagles to the Super Bowl, you have a better chance of continuing to keep that winning culture going along.
Yeah, and see, the question was, should the Cardinals have pursued him? You answered the question. Wally did, but he didn't, because you just said why Donovan McNabb should have went to Washington over that. So I got to get that round right there. Or that question. Yes. So he's up 3-2. This is the last one, though. This is the last question. And,
I'm lying. I don't care about
this. This is the last one. You can either tie it up for the day, or Will T can take this thing. So here we go. Last question. To determine our winner, McNabb, he's 33, and he's viewed as old. But recently, Penny Hardaway, who was 38, announced he'd like to make a comeback. Penny dealt with microfracture surgery, as well as a much younger player with Rashad McCants, who has a better chance of returning to NBA, McCants or Penny?
You can go with Will.
Oh, I can go? I'm going to go with, I'm going to make this tough. I'm going to go with Penny, and here's why. In the NBA, point guard play is essential. You need a veteran. You need a veteran presence on the team, and Penny can supply that as a 39-year-old. 2, Penny's been away from the game for the last, 3 years, 2 or 3 years. So his legs, even though he has had microfracture surgery, his legs are a little bit fresher. And 3, Penny has a higher basketball IQ than Rashad McCants.
Okay. You would be right if you didn't acknowledge that Penny doesn't even care about playing. He just wants the championship ring. He's pretty much stated he wouldn't care about minutes like that. So you would be right if you stated that part, but you didn't. Rashad McCants is younger. He had a microfracture surgery too, and he took out he took a lot of last year off as well too. So he still has that for him. He has a lot of ability. He's still not far away from being a lottery pick. So Rashad McCants is a better pickup.
Rashad McCants has youth. Penny Hardaway has breast at this point. So I'm sorry, but I got to go with Wally on that. That makes it a tie. I guess necessarily that doesn't make you the champion. Will T still the champion. You didn't take the belt. To be the man, you got to beat the man. Well, we just discussed quarterbacks, and currently 2 of the NFL's best are awaiting contracts. And the unproven #1 pick, he could be paid as high or receive more money than both of them. The fellas and I will discuss that after this commercial.
I'm Ed Smart, father of a child who was abducted.
I'm John Walsh. Like Ed, I also know the terror of having a child who was kidnapped. But now we have wonderful technology to aid in this battle.
It's called the Amber Alert. It's an early notification system to the public when every second counts.
Amber Alert is a partnership. We want to thank you, the public, broadcasters, transportation, and law enforcement. Amber Alert really works.
Century, doing something mean to it. Do it better than anybody you ever seen do it. Screams from the haters, got a nice ring to it. I guess every superhero need his theme music. No one man should have all that.
Welcome back to the Irvin Hill scene. I mean, my bad. Sports scene. I'm just sweating. The AC still broke. That's why Fish ain't here. He still got his doctor's note. Will T.
We know the reason why Fish ain't here. We know the reason why Fish isn't here today, right, Will?
Yeah.
Anyway, let's talk about Sam Bradford. What type of money is he gonna be getting?
$50 million guaranteed.
All because of Matthew Stafford. He had 41.
Stratford,
isn't that his name? What's his name? Stafford. Same thing.
$50 million guaranteed. Usually, in whoever's got drafted, usually you take the person before who preceded you, and so that would be Stafford. last year, and then you add 10% onto that. That's how much guaranteed money you get. Now, the structure of it may be different, but as far as the guaranteed money, so he's probably going to get somewhere in the region of $45 to $50 million guaranteed.
Yeah, in my opinion, that's why a lockout is needed. The owner's got to get this under control because this is ridiculous. He has not stepped a foot on the NFL field yet.
And he's going to get more guaranteed money than Peyton Manning and company.
Yeah, and what's going on with their deals?
Peyton Manning, he's waiting on Bradford. He's whatever Bradford's going to get, he's going to go off that. So basically, Peyton Manning is waiting, and it's the last year in this deal anyway. So, could we see a Peyton Manning decision on TV? That's the question.
He's classy.
I wouldn't see Peyton Manning doing
FedEx.
that.
I believe Manning's gonna get a deal before Tom Brady.
Oh yeah. Just historically, because New England always plays hardball with their players. Also, I think because Brady left money on the table his 2 previous contracts, I think he knows this is his last chance to get this big contract. So Brady isn't leaving any money on the table.
And then in 09, I mean, they've been working on this since 09. So he still hasn't had a deal yet. So
Tom Brady?
Yeah, he's working on this deal since 09 basically. So yeah, and like Will said, Patriots are notorious for basically underballing their veteran players and whatnot. So.
Tom Brady, he's been at home with Giselle.
Yeah, and his son.
He ain't even worried about it till now.
And his son, he out in L.A. He out in L.A. He got a family now.
He's married to no model. He's a blue collar dude.
Doing commercials on Saturday Night Live and things like that. So
I like his commercials.
Yeah,
his commercials. He's
funny.
You wouldn't think just because of the way he talks in his interview he would be that funny, but Peyton Manning,
he's like
actually,
Opie.
Yeah, he's hilarious.
Yeah.
He's hilarious, man.
I like the way he's
funny,
in the
Opie.
grocery store and he kept cheering on the cashier.
Yeah,
that was a good one. He was on Mike and Mike one morning and he was announcing that one of the prizes in a competition of theirs was the prize was going to be to meet Eli. He was like, I don't know how interesting that would be. You know what I'm saying? Like, he was going on his own brother. Which they do look. I mean, they look alike, but they're totally opposite people. You know what I'm saying?
Quick question: do you think that Tom Brady will hold out though?
He'll try it, according to the professor. The professor, John Clayton. He looks like a Clue character, yeah. Guess who? I said Clue.
He look like what's that dude on Saved by the Bell, the teacher?
Oh yeah. I don't remember his name right now. I would.
But you know what I'm talking about though, right?
Oh yeah. He said, "I'm so mad I could spit nails." I don't remember what his name is. Anyway, let's talk about Albert Haynesworth real quick because he got the big contract that Brady and Manning are looking for, and you see how that's turned out. But recently, it's come out that he's using P90X and he's lost all this weight. What's the motive behind that?
The motive behind that is Albert wants to show up and dominate to prove everyone wrong, and also Albert wants to lose those 32 pounds so he doesn't have to play defensive tackle in 3-4.
That's about right. He's motivated, so he wants to play DN. He wants to play a position that can allow him to get sacks.
How you know he's not trying to get endorsement deal? P90X.
Well,
everybody's endorsing it right now. Will T, you've been using it. I don't see a difference. I'm sorry. I don't know. You got on the shirt, but go ahead. Is it working for you?
No, it isn't. I haven't used it yet. I've been too busy. I've been too busy. Burn your copy? Yeah. Aren't you supposed to buy it?
Buy it?
Yeah, buy it.
Who buys things like that now?
It's expensive.
No, you was burn me a copy.
Catch him in the barbershop selling P90X. Yeah, y'all were talking about that too. Will T was like, you got to get like a few pieces of equipment to go with it. What's that?
Yeah, you do. You need to get a chin-up bar. You need to get some resistance bands, and you need a mat, and you need a DVD player.
You were saying how good it was, though. I'm surprised you're not using it.
I have used it before in the past, but I've been busy. I got a lot going on now.
Oh, yeah. Dave and Buster's. You ain't take it easy on them sandwiches.
You ain't take it easy on them fries either.
That's all I didn't take it easy on them fries. Potato fries.
And
Wally didn't take it easy on the fries either. He didn't buy any of them.
Exactly. Now he tore the fries up. But
call me a
freeloading dude. I tore
them fries up.
What's your excuse under the head?
What?
Those were like chicken tender sliders. I ain't never seen some things like that.
Man, I was hungry.
Was salivating over. He over there.
Yeah, they look good too. You made the little buffalo chicken sandwich look good. I'm not gonna lie.
Man. He ain't leave nothing on the plate either, y'all.
I did leave. I left.
I
left the bread on the plate.
Anyway, let's get back on with Big Albert. I don't even know if Big Albert really uses P90X. Please don't spread that rumor, but you can though. Tonight before things started. Anyway, Do we think that Dan Snyder either misled him or enabled him in this whole process since he's been a skin?